So here I got the 5-minute candle daily chart for VISL. So here's 9:30 the open. Looks strong right out the gate. Got a news PR, ran all the way to 54, where ultimately dumped under VWAP here, under the 50, and bounced off the 200 SMA. Got rejected twice on the VWAP to where it ultimately bled and actually failed under the 200 SMA. And here it is right in the 50 SMA towards the end of the day. Got pushed down on low volume. So let's look on a further back basis to get a feel for what happened here. I'm thinking. Here's a 7-day chart. So this was April 23rd. It was 16 cents. So this has made a pretty nutty move. I mean, it's over 300%. Here I got on the 5-day. I already put my trends. So we were on this trend right now, but we broke out of it today. But on the bigger picture, we still have this trend intact. And this is the uptrend channel we're in right now. So if we can hold this, like this 33 cents, 32 cents level of support we formed with high volume during regular hours. I believe we're going to keep pushing up, head to 40 cents up, maybe 42. I'm going to look at the day here. I'd say this would, if you were lucky, you would have got in on one of these dips, but most likely you would have got in on this support right here around 33. Started getting kind of people selling at 35. 37, there'll be some resistance. So my first point from if you have a low 30% average, I'd sell 35 if it can't break it right away. Be safe. I mean, that's more of a scout. First, and then I'd go 37. So my first point, 35, 37. And then VWAP, 40 cents today. I'd say that's my first price target for like a real move. 40 cents. 46, there's gonna be resistance. And let's go back onto, let's go on the daily chart and go 100 day, or just, fuck it, let's go the year. We got, there you go, you see it right there. Actually, let's go 100 day. Here's the resistance we're dealing with. 33.5 cents to about 38. There's gonna be bag holders from January just sitting. They've been just sitting on a bag for over 3 months, ready to get out. But if that clears and we can get over there clearly, you see we tested the 200 SMA today on this longer term. But at the same time, look at the RSI here. 200 day. So if we can break past that, the next resistance will be around 43-ish and 55. So I'm gonna say first target 37, second 40. And then those longer term ones, and then let's look at the news that caused it today. So I also wanted to note there was no reason for this to really run. The market was green and people were pushing the small caps like they had some justified reason to bounce. But to be honest, in my opinion, it was all pumps. I watched like 5 dudes on StockTwist sitting here posting about VISL, no news or catalyst, just all hype. And that's why I think shorts were on top of around. Look at this move right here. I think shorts were all over this and they got it up here, which was actually bullish, so people were swinging it. Here they are pumping it. pumping it. Shorts are all over it. They're already losing in a way, and then look what comes out. So what's that? 11:30 Eastern. So 2 hours into close. Let's look today and see what time that is. .30. So here comes right here. Saved it up. So it was already getting pumped up to here. News comes, saves it, squeezes it. But what's worth noting is 184 million volume today, which is crazy when you consider you go back to their last 10Q here. It says on March 27, 2020, there were 78.5 million shares. So it traded over double its outstanding share count. And what also I thought was worth noting was, check this out. It's kind of cool. Our product offerings address applications in growing market segments, including in-game, sport, video, mobile feeds, real-time capture and display of footage from drones and other aerial platforms, and rapid response electronic news gathering operations. And if you look at the awarded patents include, I thought this was cool. Look at this. Digital broadcasting over microwave links. Looked it up. I didn't know they did that. Fun fact. But yeah, so I'm looking for that 40-cent break. I started loading at 35 lightly, and then I added it all day until the after hour dump. I even got some at like 31 cents. So I'll sell if it hits like 33, 32. That's my risk. And I could re-add if it breaks into the 20s. But I mean, this is cool. I mean, Ferrari, even though it doesn't disclose, the shorts will say, oh, it doesn't disclose any numbers or anything. In this market, and with everything going on there, they're getting contracts from a reputable company such as Ferrari. Being a small cap stock like this, I like that. So yeah, I've played this before in the past, and I'm excited to do it again.